solve the inequalities. Here you have your 3 open the bracket, 2 minus 3x, close the bracket. You have your less than 1 minus 2 minus 3x. Now, how do you solve this on the board? It is very simple. First of all, we obey the law of board mass, which says we solve the bracket first. Now, solving the bracket, we repeat the question on the board to be 3 open the bracket, 2 minus 3x, close the bracket. This is less than 1 minus 2 minus 3x. Now, let's open the bracket. How do you open the bracket? You use the 3 there to multiply everything inside the bracket. By so doing that, you open the bracket. And you say 3 times 2. This bracket you're saying means the multiplication sign. 3 times 2 give us 6 minus 3 times 3x give us 9x. We bring down our sign. We bring down 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 will give us minus 1. You bring down your minus 3x. So what should we do? The next is collecting of like terms. We collect the one that has a variable and coefficient will go to a particular side, and the other one will go to that side. We separate it, collecting of like terms. And in collecting the like terms, this 6 will be here. Then the minus 1, when minus 1 crosses this sign, coming to this side, it changes to plus 1. And we'll put our sign. Then your minus 3x remains there. Then minus 9 crosses over. When minus 9 crosses over this, it changes to plus 9x. So having collected the like terms, you set it down. This at the other side and this here. Now we add and subtract. 6 plus 1 is 7. You bring down your sign. Now minus 3x plus 9. Minus 3 plus 9 will give us plus 6x. So what should we do? Remember, we are looking for the value of what? X in the question. Now, in order to make x stand alone, we divide both sides by the coefficient. So we divide both sides by what? 6. 6, so that the x will stand alone. Now, this your 6 will cancel this 6. What is remaining? X. You bring down your sign. 7 over 6, which you bring down. Now, we say, therefore, when you look at the board, therefore, we need to bring this x to this side. This x counts this side. And remember, whenever you have your therefore and your x comes to this side, the sign will change. For the fact that this x decided to come this way, this your less than will change to greater than 7 over 6. Let me set it down. 7 over 6, which is the answer. Thank you.